Morning. So I'm bearish today until we take this low. After this low, the reaction and the reaction of this low will determine whether we're still going to continue to be bearish. We have some news at 10 o'clock, and I would really like to short right now, but there is a possibility I'm going to be offside. I had some coffee today, so you're going to have to excuse my performance. Usually I overtrade and I take a lot of bad decisions on coffee, but I needed to work on the video that I'm gonna be publishing soon. I'm a bit too late. The last one I published was 2 weeks ago, but yeah, I'll try to do my best and perform as usual. Even though during the week I'm not having coffee, I'm not having any energizers or whatever stimulants. Now my idea would be to short as close as to the entry of this 15-minute fair value gap and maybe attack 63, 863. But yeah, as I said, we're gonna have news at 10 o'clock, and usually they're pretty aggressive. Like just a raid above these highs would make me so happy about a short. Obviously I can see we're inside a fair value gap right now. I just, yep. I'm considering it. No doubt. But it's Friday, we have so much range to trade today. So even though we have a choppy day, I just don't want to be in a rush to place a trade at 9:20. I've been chasing these lows yesterday as well. I was looking at them. I traded a bit the afternoon session. I ended up with a break even, nothing changed. But yeah. Happy I didn't short it. Now I'm waiting to see if we're gonna go to the highs again. I would like to see the highs, to be honest. Get inside the premium and then look for shorts. Hello, Watson. I would like to short as well right now, but yeah, for some reason I don't find the courage to pull the trigger. Just because it's too early. Yeah. It's too early. But I like this move. It's more of a fake move. You have a lot of imbalances left. So I wouldn't trust going long. I know it's just reaching for liquidity right now, this move. Let's see how far it can go. But my assumption is it should not go above 21. But this is the interesting part because inside here we have a 50-minute CB. this is the interesting part. Before the open, you want for this gap to be filled, whichever way it's gonna be, down or up. And right now, the fact that we're trading below it, placing a trade before the open would put me in danger, because this is where I will place my stop at 21. So it would put my position in danger, because the price is always trying to gravitate towards the gap to be filled, statistically wise. Yeah, I'll love a short. Not gonna. I'm gonna be a good boy and wait. Love the fact that it took this high. Coming here, looking for some more liquidity. I might even expect a drop now. We have relative equal lows, longs being excited, placing their stop losses here. Like, this is a perfect setup for a short. I'll just be a good boy. One of the things that I observed when I started streaming, I was trading also the 30-second chart. Man, I'm so much more consistent without checking the 30-second chart. Okay, so as I said, that was a good short setup. Let's see if it goes. Or this inversion fair value gap is just gonna support the price. Like, the further we reach into the buy side, like basically going up, the higher we go, the better it is. Because all this liquidity is just waiting. It's just waiting. Like, people right now, they're buying like crazy. Like look at this. This is like strong support. What I'm looking at is like, okay, how far up we're gonna go in order to come back down and take this 863. Now, how many people are buying here since yesterday? It's gonna be aggressive as well. It's Friday. We're gonna have, thank God, this Friday. And you know what? What's gonna happen? Just like violent move to the downside. So I'm gonna wait. If he's gonna reach without me, it's okay. It's okay. But yeah, let's see how choppy this Friday is gonna be. Usually Fridays are choppy. We're stuck inside this range. We took the high, we took the lows. Did anyone check? Asia range is huge, therefore we can take the lows, we can take the highs. Even we can reach 587 if that's a discussion. Even though I don't believe. My speculation is that if we're gonna have choppiness, this daily fair value gap is actually an inversion fair value gap. And yeah, right now it's still solid, it's still providing support. But for how long? And even if we take this low, we can still go higher. 587, this is the deal breaker. What did I say? What did I say? We take these highs and we go to the lows. What did I say? Man. I should have shorted this home. Guess I was. It's just all those 10 o'clock news, man. They were violent last time when we traded them on Friday. Yeah, this move was pre-market. Something is wrong with my charts. Patience. Let's see what the open is gonna offer us. Most probably, I'm not gonna place a trade before 9:45. Too choppy. 863 seems too close. So, yeah, too risky. I mean, at the open to be taken out. I apologize. Most probably also is gonna be. Yep. Most probably is also gonna be violent at 10 o'clock when we have the high impact news. This looks interesting. 963. But yeah, if you wanna have a look at it on the 1 hour, crazy. We've been like on since Tuesday. This is the range. This is what we've been trading and profit as well, which is insane. Had the CPI, made some money here, and then that's it. Choppiness all around. I'm gonna reset my MT5 charts. They look a bit dodgy. I'm reading a different price action. Just a small difference in candles. Second. Yeah. Violent. We open with violence. And then we took the targets. Okay, now let's see what's gonna happen. Ooh, some juice. Now I'm curious. Why do we have this price action? Retail sales have dropped. Got it. Therefore, economy is slowing down. Therefore, the rates will stay the same. I don't believe they're going to change the rates unless we're having some recession, some crisis in US. Too early. There are so many black swans looming. They're going to use those bullets for later. They're not going to make it easy for Mr. Trump. The daily looks like this now. A lot of volume imbalances here and here. So would be interesting to see today 587. Would be very interesting if this fair value gap is just going to continue lower. It's pretty big, which can be a sign of what's to come. What's to come, sorry. Let's see. Stay away from the price action, even though it goes lower. Stay away for a while. Very volatile. Under any circumstance, I would short this. But we have the high impact news at 10 o'clock. Yeah, it looks very bearish. I think we're gonna see the lows from yesterday. just as a reference. Coming back to this fair value gap. If anyone wants to short it, now is the time. I would have loved for 9:45 to be here. My concern is that we took already the lows. Maybe more manipulation is in store for these relative equal highs, and then we come back lower. I really cannot frame it. I'm not feeling very comfortable shorting here at the lows, even though the target would be here. Yeah, it's just difficult to read. We didn't fill the gap. This is interesting. Filling the gap is important. Let's just let's check the statistics. Let me have some water. I cannot talk. Yeah. The past 3 months on Fridays. A gap down. Ooh, 43%. So we don't need to fill that one. Interesting. Keep it in mind. Thank you, Edgeful. If it's a gap down, usually we don't fill it. 53% of the time. 57. Was it? I don't hate the shorts now. I think it's a good idea. Mm. We are in a discount. We're touching the daily BC and we're close to yesterday's low. Okay, let's try a short. Something very tight. Can be taken out very easily for some reason. Yeah, like this. This will be the target. I would like to add, if given the possibility. I like this reaction. This is what I was looking for. Am I selling myself too short if I don't hold this? I guess let's try. I'm with my finger on the trigger at 793 to maybe lock in a partial. It's only two contracts, so amazing. Congratulations, Watson. Proud of you, buddy. Yeah, it's running. I will let it run. Let's see. 587 is on my mind, I'll be honest. And it's a long way, but I will just I'll just allow it for a second or two. So 652 would be a time to lock in if we get there. But yeah, as we assumed, we are having a Tenga this Friday. Uh, yeah. Mhm. Mhm. I see like a lot of speed, and lets me thinking we might try to reach for those lows. How does the weekly? So basically, I'm hoping for us to take the weekly low. Interesting. Yeah, see, this is what I mean. Like right now, we're really dipping. Is that the ultimate one or? Yeah, this is a Nord block. There are levels and levels, and I'm just gonna check right now. We have some lows here. That can be a good target, but yeah, ultimately. I'll wait in minutes. I'll see how every minute plays, paints. If it's red, I'll wait another minute. If it's green, I might take one off. That's the plan for attack. We had a green candle on the 1 minute, but on the 5 minute, we just started the Judah swing, trading aside this daily fair value gap. So it's interesting if we're gonna go lower now. Relative equal highs. I'm looking at them. Okay, I'm just taking one off. If he's gonna stop me out, that's fine. We already paid our commissions for the day. I wanna just see if there is more leg to this move. One more leg. 33 would be nice. Put it at 40. In hindsight, obviously, a bigger size would have been ideal. But let's see how this plays out, because if it wants to go lower, it will provide me some buffer, some stop loss room. So let's say I'm going to add 2 or 3 more contracts. I'm already having some room for more. Yeah. You can make money with 2 micros as well. I've been doing that for the past 2 months, live on stream. And I'm more consistent because my psychology is better. If I'm losing 2 trades in a row, I'm still good. But when I'm gonna turn up the heat and I'm gonna be comfortable with trading 10 micros, it's gonna get scary money wise. In my opinion, if you can make money with 1 micro, you can make money with 10, 20, 30. It's all about strategy, mates. Let's see. Don't forget to like the live stream. It really helps. Because I'll be honest, I need to post more recap videos, but the editing takes so long, so I'm not motivated by it. I'm not really a huge fan. However, it helps grow the audience, but also if you like the streams, they get pushed more by the algorithm. Okay, so now we're coming back, which is expected. We're trading in this 5 minute. Yeah, I keep on thinking, what are the chances for us to attack today? These relatively good lows. You never know. Next week. We have FOMC. Maybe this is when they're gonna pull the trigger. Or should I close it? That's a volume imbalance. I'm out. We have news in 10 minutes, in 1 minute. Whatever might be happening, we booked a win. I still believe we're gonna turn bearish, but let's wait. Be careful. Yep. ES is dumping. Nasdaq might do the same. Mhm. That's the first presentation, the one that we shorted earlier. This is a breaker. Let's just see. We're leaving relative equal lows on E-mini, so I'm gonna wait a bit. Not turning bullish yet. I see those relative equal highs. It's Friday. I'm happy I got out. Now we can turn bullish. We're in a daily BC. This holds still. Let's look for bullish PD arrays to attack all these highs. I don't want to rush. I'm going to wait. But this is an inversion fair value gap. Coming back into this fair value gap makes it ideal to buy. 36. Let's make it 3. Obviously, our targets are the high. Trading into a 50. We got filled too early. Yeah, that's not good. Because that's a 15-minute fair value gap that we just touched now. So as you can see right here, this is a breaker, so an inversion fair value gap as well. Let's see how this is gonna hold. Mm. Is that turtle soup type of scenario that I like? I just don't like that we don't have a clear PD array. Besides this inversion fair value gap, and my stop loss is pretty tight. Just seeing us trade above this first presentation fair value gap would give me more comfort. 867 basically. Ideal. This is a bullish breaker now. Let's see if it holds. Yeah, don't overtrade, buddy. We dipped here for this volume imbalance. Would be nice to just go higher. But we still did not trade above 867. Basically, we need to take this high. Right now, we are a bit in a limbo. Make it short and sweet, baby. Go on. Just give it that speed, that love. Yeah, I don't like that reaction. That candle right there. Oh, yes. Yes. Just take those highs, baby. shorts here, they have stop losses here, and the next ones are here. Reducing a bit my risk. Just one green candle. That's all I want. Very bearish on all the other ones but the Nasdaq. At the end of the day, we still have relative equal highs here, here, and here, and ultimately here. So Nasdaq might be fighting the trend. Yeah, Friday's price action. Nothing special. Strong reaction would be nice now to the upside, obviously. For most of this trade, we've been in profit. Yeah, we're trading aside this 5 minute, but this is our last chance, basically. That's why I moved my stop loss as well. It's like in case the price wants to come back down into this 5 minutes, I'll let uh, I'll let it breathe even inside this inversion fair value gap I was looking at. But apparently this order block is holding very well for now. This one. Yeah. Strong reaction. I like that. Looks like we're in a good place. Let's see continuation. After we trade above these highs, I'll move to break even if we reach that. My first confirmation will be trading above the previous 5 minute fair value gap candle, 871. Next 2 minutes are crucial. We're closing the 15-minute candle. Yep. It's right above the highs. I don't want this to be a mitigation, a rejection block. 5 minutes. Oh, uh, I have to work so hard for this trade, I swear. Mm. Yeah, not a good reaction here. Looks like a rejection block this, fortunately. See you tomorrow, Watson. Stay safe. Thank you for jumping here. Stay safe. Take care. I'm happy you passed your first phase. Congrats, bud. See you. What a Friday, man. I swear to God. I can even see a situation where we trade back inside this 1 minute and then we go up. Mm. Not ideal for our position, obviously. My stop loss, but any second, most probably will be taken out. It's another Friday. That's the price action. Yeah, it's just taking longer than expected. There's nothing we can do. I'm not gonna back out of the trade now, even though I should. Hmm. It disturbs me the fact that we have relative equal lows now, so I don't like the price action. I'm thinking of moving out. We have also 2 and 3 minute CB right here inside all this action. So yeah, we're really bearish now. Trading above this high would put us in control. It's 863. I'm considering exiting the trade. Nothing much we can do. Either wait or cancel and finish with a loss. Yep, that was it. I think this is a fair value gap. We can short. That was it. High resistance liquidity run today. Reaction off of this fair value gap is the most important. We're either gonna trade above it and come back high, or we're done for the day. Mm-hmm. I hate trading Fridays. There's not much more to talk about it. Basically, either this fair value gap is going to provide support or it's not. We have relatively good lows on A mini, so that discourages me. But we're very close to the target. I'm not just gonna stop out for $60, $80. It is what it is. Um, when we broke structure, I was thinking of basically exiting the trade. I didn't do it. Now we just we are stuck in a one-to-one risk reward type of trade, which is not ideal. And we can still see the highs. Maybe, who knows? If we're turning bearish, maybe this is the day. We're inside the daily BC. That's why I decided to. Yeah, I guess I misjudged today completely. I was off. I mean, I expected for that daily to be an inversion for Valgapa. It's just I saw too much manipulation into it when it actually was easier than that. Even if it's reaching the lows, this price action is very unfriendly, to say the least. This is another fair value gap as well on the 5 minute. We can trade inside of it and go lower. 834 is a very important pivot. It marks a stop loss for a short or a bullish trend. We cannot even have two green candles in a row, which is very annoying. I guess we're out. That was it. We're out. Thank you very much. I'll finish this week like this. Have a nice day. Thank you for joining. Peace.